Major Dhyan Chand, the wizard who humbled Hitler. Berlin, 1936. Adolf Hitler wanted to prove Aryan supremacy to the world through sport. But on a hockey field that day, his pride was shattered, not by soldiers, not by weapons, but by a man with a stick in his hand and magic in his feet. Born as Dhyan Singh in Allahabad in 1905, he grew up in a soldier's family. On 29 August 1922, his 17th birthday, Dhyan Singh enlisted in the 1st Brahmins of the British Indian Army as a sepoy. His regiment was well known in hockey, and Subedar Major Pale Tiwari introduced him to hockey and gave him lessons. His position as the centre forward in the team was permanently assured after annual military tournament in Delhi, where he played for his regimental team. He would often practice at night under the moonlight after his duty hours, and thus Dhyan Singh became Dhyan Chand. The name stayed, the legend began. He founded Jhansi Heroes, his home club. Between 1922 and 1926, he exclusively played army hockey tournaments and regimental games. He was ultimately selected for the Indian Army team, which was to tour New Zealand. In his own words, April 1926, and it was a very quiet send-out. We played 21 matches in New Zealand, of which we won 18, drew 2 and lost 1. We scored 192 goals and had only 24 goals scored against us. Returning to India, he was promoted to Lance Nayak in 1927. Men's field hockey was first included in the Olympic program at the 1908 London Games. The sport was then dropped from the 1912 and 1924 Games. Field hockey returned to the Olympics in 1928 after being dropped for years. Perhaps destiny itself had waited just to lift the curtain and let the world witness the greatest wizard the game would ever live. 1928 Summer Olympics. Held in Amsterdam, India won its first Olympic gold medal in hockey. Across the tournament, India scored 29 goals without conceding a single one. Dhyan Chand finished as top scorer with 14 goals. 1932 Summer Olympics, held in Los Angeles. India played and won 2 matches, getting gold. Dhyan Chand was the captain. Japan got silver. 1936 Summer Olympics, Berlin. The 1936 Berlin Olympics was more than just a sporting event. For Hitler, it was propaganda, his way of showing Nazi power to the entire world. India, still under British rule, entered the hockey tournament. Their captain, Major Dhyan Chand, already known as the Wizard of Hockey. The final was between India and Germany. Hitler expected victory in front of his home crowd, but Dhyan Chand had other plans. Dhyan Chand scored 3 goals even after German defenders fouled him brutally. At one point when his ankles swelled up, he removed his shoes and played barefoot. The Indian team scored total 38 goals in that Olympic, but only 1 goal was scored against them. British India were the gold medalists. And then in 1947, the Indian Hockey Federation was requested by the Asian Sports Association of East Africa to send a team to play a series of matches. The ASA made a condition that Chand should be included in the team. Once again, he was chosen as captain. He went on to score over 400 international goals in his career. After 34 years of service, he retired from the Indian Army on 29 August 1956 as a lieutenant. The government of India honored him the same year by conferring him the Padma Bhushan. After retirement, he taught at coaching camps. He held the position of chief hockey coach at the National Institute of Sports, Patiala, from 1961 to 69. Now, his birth date is celebrated as National Sports Day. His legacy is immortalized in India's highest sporting honors. His legacy lives on in stone and metal, through statues across India. A life-size bronze statue was unveiled by his son, Ashok Kumar, on National Sports Day 2024. He stands as a dignified tribute in a city dear to his family, Jhansi, Uttar Pradesh. The city has upgraded the Heroes Ground and inaugurated a major Dhyan Chand Museum under the Smart City initiative. A statue now watches over the museum's entrance. Rourkela, Odisha. A 40-foot statue once stood near the airport, built ahead of the 2023 Hockey World Cup. However, it collapsed in a storm and was replaced by a sculpture of the Hockey World Cup trophy. Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh. The local statue's hockey stick is damaged and receives only makeshift repairs, a poignant reminder that even legends need care. Across India, statues of Major Dhyan Chand rise as symbols of our sporting pride. Yet, while some shine in glory, others crumble in neglect, reminding us that a nation must honor its heroes not just in stone but in spirit.